Hey YouTube, this is Facia with Simply Lavish at Home. Just over a week ago, the fashion industry lost the iconic Kate Spade. And if you follow the event industry, that you know that the Kate Spade inspired theme has been wildly popular. So today, I'm bringing you my very own Kate Spade inspired tablescape using things mostly from the Dollar Tree, as well as some of my thoughts on how to properly use artificial flowers. Check it out. Here is my finished Kate Spade tablescape. You see that huge centerpiece that I have in the middle, and that black and white tablecloth, which is one of the other things that I did not get from the Dollar Tree. Couldn't find it at the Dollar Tree. I actually bought it from Amazon, and I'm only partially happy with it just because it's not quite as formal as I would like it to have been. It's kind of a little more rustic. It's not as sharp black and white contrast as I would have liked, but you get the point. I'm a fan of layering tablecloths, so you can see that I went with, to give it a little contrast from the super stark black and white, I went with a gauzier under tablecloth. It was a tulle mesh that I went with underneath, and then with the iconic black and white stripe that is synonymous with a Kate Spade inspired tablescape, I went with that overlay tablecloth in a little smaller size. These gold chargers that are now available at Dollar Tree, I didn't get these from Dollar Tree, but they are available there. These black plates and the white dessert plate that is also from Dollar Tree. You also know now that Dollar Tree carries these single stem flowers. This is one of the large ones. And I just simply pulled the head off and use that just to go in the middle of the plate. Now again, my wine glasses and things are not from the Dollar Tree, but they are available at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. Maybe it's at the gold ones, but they have one that's a similar shape, but not necessarily in the gold tint. But I think they do carry something that is in that amber glass like that. And then you see I have this centerpiece. And one of the things I wanted to point out about the centerpiece is that it took a lot of flowers to make this. It's actually rather large, maybe even a little bit too large for the table, but looks beautiful nonetheless. Now when I'm doing an event, the last choice for me is artificial flowers. Like, I prefer fresh flowers, they look better, but sometimes the client, feels like they can save a little bit with artificial flowers, and I've seen places where they rent them. And one of the things I don't like about them is that they don't use enough flowers. Part of what makes the difference in artificial arrangements is whether or not you can tell they're artificial. Now you can look at this, you probably, after looking for a while, can tell that it's artificial, but one of the things that really is a dead giveaway are the stems of the flowers. And a lot of places that do artificial arrangements, you can see into the stem, and which makes me not like them quite as much. So here I've used, this is literally $30 worth of Dollar Tree flower bushes. Took a lot of flowers to make this one arrangement. So you see, you want that kind of fullness, because even when you sit down, and I'm sit down at the table, you still can't really see in there. You literally have to go under to see that foam down there. Now ordinarily there are things that you can do to disguise that. I didn't bother doing that because I kind of wanted to illustrate that you can go under there and see, but you'd really have to put in the effort as a guest to go and determine whether or not these flowers are artificial. Just from the onset, they look beautiful and have a nice fullness. So again, one of the things, if you're doing an artificial flower arrangement, be sure to use a lot of flowers. It pays off better in the long run. So let me know what you think, leave your comments below, and give this video a thumbs up. If you have not already, click the subscribe button and that little bell to let you know every time Simply Lavish posts a video. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, on Twitter, and check out my website, simplylavish.net. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, here's to living simply lavishly. Cheers.